Learn English with us.
English podcast.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English with Us podcast. I'm Sarah, and we're excited to have you here. If you want to improve your English, speaking, listening, vocabulary, and grammar skills, this podcast is made just for you. Subscribe to our channel and join us for our 10-day English learning challenge. Today, I want to share another inspiring story. This story is about a young man named Liam. Liam understood English very well. He watched movies. He listened to podcasts. He read books. But there was one big problem. He was afraid to speak. Whenever someone asked him a question in English, his mind became blank. He knew the answer, but the words would not come out. Have you ever felt like that? If yes, then this story is for you. Let's begin. Liam lived in a busy city. He worked in a supermarket. Every day, many foreign customers visited the store. Some asked simple questions. Where can I find milk? Can I pay by card? Liam understood every question. But when he tried to answer, he became nervous. Sometimes he pointed instead of speaking. Sometimes he asked another worker to help. After work, Liam felt disappointed. He thought, I know English, so why can't I speak? One evening, Liam met his neighbor, Mrs. Brown. She was an English teacher. She noticed Liam looked unhappy. Is everything okay? Liam sighed. I study English every day. I understand a lot, but I freeze when I speak. Mrs. Brown smiled. That's because you practice English, but you don't practice speaking. Liam looked confused. Aren't they the same? Mrs. Brown laughed. No. Reading teaches your brain. Listening trains your ears. But speaking trains your mouth. Liam listened carefully. Mrs. Brown continued. Speaking is like learning to ride a bicycle. You cannot learn by only watching videos. You have to get on the bicycle. You have to practice. Liam nodded slowly. So how do I practice? I don't have anyone to speak with. Mrs. Brown smiled again. You already have a speaking partner. Who? Yourself. Liam laughed. Myself? You mean, talk to myself? Exactly. The next morning, Liam decided to try. When he woke up, he looked in the mirror. He felt a little silly. Then he said, Good morning. Today I will go to work. I will help customers. I will do my best. It only took 1 minute, but it felt strange. Later, while making breakfast, he continued. I'm making eggs. The coffee smells good. I need to hurry. Nobody answered. Nobody laughed. Nobody corrected him. He felt relaxed. That evening, Liam told Mrs. Brown, I talked to myself today. She smiled. Great. Now do it for 5 minutes every day. Only 5 minutes? Yes. Small habits create big changes. The next week, Liam spoke to himself every morning. Sometimes he described his room. My bed is near the window. The weather is sunny today. My backpack is heavy. Sometimes he talked about his plans. After work, I'll go shopping. I need to buy fruit. I want to exercise tonight. He didn't worry about mistakes. He just kept talking. Slowly, his speaking became easier. One day, Mrs. Brown gave Liam another idea. Record your voice. Liam wasn't sure. I don't like hearing my voice. Mrs. Brown laughed. Nobody does at first, but recording helps you notice your pronunciation. That evening, Liam opened his phone. At first, he spoke slowly. Hello, my name is Liam. Today I worked at the supermarket. After listening to the recording, he noticed something. He spoke too fast. Some words were unclear. But instead of feeling bad, he smiled. Now I know what to improve. The next day, He recorded himself again. This time he spoke more clearly. Each recording became a little better. After 2 weeks, something interesting happened. A customer asked, "Excuse me, where can I find bread?" Without thinking too much, Liam answered, "It's in aisle 5. Just turn left." The customer smiled. "Thank you." Liam smiled too. His answer was simple, but it was smooth. For the first time, he didn't panic. He realized something important. Speaking every day was working. After 1 month, every morning, 5 minutes of speaking. Every evening, 2 minutes of recording. Sometimes he described pictures. Sometimes he talked about his day. Sometimes he imagined conversations. He even asked himself questions. "What did you do today?" "I worked until 6. "What was the best part of your day?" "I helped a customer find the right product." "I answered a customer's question politely." Speaking became easier because he practiced real conversations. One afternoon, a tourist entered the supermarket. She asked, "I'm looking for snacks to take home. What do you recommend?" A few weeks earlier, Liam would have stayed silent. But now he smiled. "We have maple cookies. Many visitors like them. These chocolates are also popular." The tourist bought both. Before leaving, she said, "Your English is very good." Liam couldn't believe it. He walked away feeling proud, but because he finally believed in himself. A few days later, Mrs. Brown asked, "What's the biggest difference now?" Liam answered, "I still make mistakes, but I'm no longer afraid of them." Mrs. Brown nodded. "That's real progress." She explained, "Confidence doesn't come before speaking. Confidence comes because you keep speaking." Liam finally understood. Waiting to feel confident first was the wrong idea. Practice creates confidence, not the other way around. After 3 months, Liam noticed amazing changes. He spoke faster. He paused less. He remembered words more easily. His pronunciation improved. Customers understood him better. His manager noticed too. "Liam," she said, "I've seen how much you've improved. Would you like to help train our new staff?" Liam smiled proudly. "Yes, I'd love to." Months ago, he couldn't answer simple questions. Now he was teaching others. Soon, Liam started helping his friends practice English. Every Saturday, they met in the park. Each person spoke for 5 minutes. Nobody laughed at mistakes. Everyone encouraged each other. Little by little, their confidence grew. Liam always repeated the same advice. Don't wait until your English is perfect. Speak with the English you have today. His friends followed his advice. They improved together. Liam's journey from a shy beginner to a confident English speaker shows that 5 minutes of speaking every day can change your life. Now, let's review the lessons from Liam's story. First, speak every day. Even 5 minutes is enough. Second, talk to yourself. You don't always need a partner. Third, record your voice. Listening helps you improve pronunciation. Fourth, describe your daily life. Simple English is powerful. Fifth, ask yourself questions and answer them. This prepares you for real conversations. Sixth, don't fear mistakes. Mistakes are proof that you are learning. Seventh, practice consistently. 5 minutes every day is better than 1 hour once a week. Finally, believe in progress, not perfection. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Liam's story teaches us something very important. Speaking English is not about knowing thousands of words. It is about using the words you already know. The more you speak, the easier speaking becomes. Just like exercising a muscle, your English becomes stronger every day you practice. So, what about you? Will you spend 5 minutes speaking today? Will you describe your room, your breakfast, your plans, or maybe your dreams? Start today. Speak a little. Tomorrow, speak again. 1 week later, you'll notice improvement. 1 month later, you'll feel more confident. 6 months later, you may surprise yourself. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to learn English with us, and continue your English journey with us. Remember, your English improves one small habit at a time. See you in day 6. Goodbye and keep practicing.